fucking with my front lobe. Fucking with my front lobe. Fucking with my front lobe. Went down the doctors the other day. Said I can't stand this to baby in hell. He said don't worry son, take some of these. So I did, and it's fucking with my front lobe. Fucking with my front lobe. Fucking with my front lobe. Now they got the zipper inside and I don't know what to do. It's not for me and it's not for you. And they're fucking with my front lobe. Fucking with my front lobe. Do this, do that, they drive me fucking mad. Do this, do that, they drive me fucking mad. Oh. And they're fucking with my front lobe. One chorus. Fucking with my front lobe. Fucking. Fuck the chorus, fuck you. Alright, thank you very much. Right, these guys, I mean it's like 3.5 bands, I'm a half. But I've got a secret weapon. Because they've got drummers, bassists, a sexy bassist, sorry babe. But look, I got fairy lights. Wow. Okay. This one's called Cocktail Queen. But there wasn't better than her. My cocktail queen. She was so fucking extreme. My cocktail queen. Cocktail queen. Hey. Cocktail queen. She had a box with whips and trips in it. She was so fucking mean. Taught me a trick or two, but I took her a trick or two. My cocktail queen. She was a stunner, like no one in those spans. Oh, she could make me quiver. My cocktail queen. She was such a dream. My cocktail queen. Cocktail queen. It got really mean towards the end. She took me for a pharmacist in Newcastle, Evelyn. That's it. Thank you. This one is for my daughter. She was 6 when she wrote this song. She said, Papa, sing it because you can. So here we go. It's called Reach the Moon. And her name's Luna, by the way, just so you get the Luna. That's Spanish for moon. Jump, 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 Luna, jump, 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 Luna, jump. Reach the moon. Jump, 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 Luna, jump, 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 Luna, jump. Reach the moon. Reach the moon. anything you want to. You can reach anywhere you want to go. Reach the moon. Reach the moon. Reach the moon. Every time I look at the moon, even though I'm not with you, I think of you. I think of you. Jump, 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 and I jump, 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 and I jump. Touch the moon. Touch the moon. Reach the moon. I know you will. I know you will. Ah, jump, 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 jump. Reach the moon. Reach the moon. Reach the moon. My fan club. Odin. This next one, is there any coppers in the house? This one's called All Coppers Are Bastards. It's like having a condom, isn't it? Yeah. All cops are bastards, yeah, all cops are bastards, all cops are bastards. Black or white, young, big or small, I don't care for your fucking uniform, yeah. All coppers are bastards, are bastards. I'm venom and rushes, venom and rushes. LSD make me see more clearly. TCD and ecstasy. But it's a funny world, yeah, we live in alcohol, yeah. I'm gonna receive, LSD, make me see my baby. TCD and ecstasy, well, it's a coming world, yeah. Black or white, big or small, I don't care for your fucking uniform. I feel sorry for your children. Woo! Your children. Your children. Your children. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How many more have I got? I have 20 minutes. Okay, this one's after Tolko. No, after when you sing it a cappella. This one's called I've Got a Demon in Me. It's a bit bluesy, but it's alright. Okay, after like a in Neverland, rock and roll, yeah, when I got a demon in me. In Neverland, rock and roll, yeah, when I got a demon in me. And my demon's free, yeah, my demon's free. If the devil is rock and roll, well, I got a demon in me. I don't care too thought of you. I just like a fast guitar, so Lord, if you want me back on your side, dive it up a bass and give me a rhyme, yeah. Whoa, yeah. If rock and roll, yeah, well, I got a demon in me, yeah. The devil is rock and roll, yeah. I got a demon in me. Am I demon free now? Yeah, 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 yeah. Am I demon free? If the devil is rock and roll, yeah. I got a demon in me, yeah. Am I demon free? Looks like I'm still going. Okay, this is kind of the new one. New as in like today. Well, yesterday and day before, but anyway. I'll see if I can do it. It's called You're Too Cool to Dance. Came here looking for a musical romance, but you're too cool to dance. You're too cool to dance. I think it started in the 90s. People standing around watching the band, and they're too cool to dance. They're too cool to dance. We were all born in the skin we're in, and we learned some bad habits on the way, and we're all too cool to dance. Came here for a little romance, a little music romance, and we're all too cool to dance. Too cool to dance. Standing on the dance floor looking at the band. And we're too cool to dance. We're too cool to dance. We're too cool, even though the music moves me. Even though I really want to dance, I just end up standing here looking at the band. I ain't got no emotion, I'm a robot, I'm too cool to dance, 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 dance. Too cool to dance, 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 dance. Too cool to dance. Romance. I think it's Strange Agency up next. Woo! Yeah!